Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to stop Photos from uploading new images right now. Open the Google Photos app, tap your profile icon, then go to Photos Settings and Backup and Sync. Once there, flip Backup and Sync off. This prevents future photos from being uploaded to Google's cloud. Make sure you're on the account you want to change, because devices can have multiple accounts. Turning this off stops automatic backups immediately while leaving local images on your device. Once backup is off, focus on items already in the cloud and on folder rules. Open library device folders to see which folders can still upload. Toggle each folder's backup setting off to stop particular albums from syncing. If uploads are mid-transfer, pause network by switching to airplane mode to avoid partial syncs. Also, in backup and sync settings, choose Wi-Fi only or disable cellular data. This prevents accidental uploads when you re-enable syncing on other accounts or networks. Finish by removing any cloud copies you don't want and secure the device. On Photos, Google.com or in the app, delete unwanted backed up photos and then empty trash to permanently remove them. Trash holds items for 60 days. If you want to entirely sever syncing, remove the Google account from the device or sign out of Google Photos. Troubleshooting tip: if photos keep uploading, check other apps with storage permission and revoke Google Photos access under Device Settings Apps Permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.